Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a net post of the Premier One fencing. Now we use the 12-42-3 poultry netting. As you can see, over time, well, we used the double spikes. They tend to get bent up. You know, it depends on your soil, how tough your soil is, and how rough you are with it when you install it into the ground. So I believe that we are replacing probably half. We got this fence off of Craigslist for pretty cheap. Now the net post itself, I believe, are about $3 to $4 each. So it's a simple fix, and I will show you how to do it. And what you want to do is scrape the spikes to get the excess dirt. You might see a little bit of surface rust. It's not much, but you want to get the surface dirt off of the spike. So that way this piece will slide down smoothly. Now you might need to use some WD-40 silicone like I will be using to make it a little bit more simpler. But yeah, you just want to make sure it's clean. Get all that dirt off. That way it's easier to replace your net post. Step one is your top piece up here. You just pull that out. Slide everything down. Now you come down to your bottom piece. I use the WD-40 silicone. Just work it free. Sometimes it can be a little tough. Try not to use channel locks or anything like that. Try to use your hands so that way you don't bust the plastic. As you can see, I'm struggling at the very last ½ inch. So, you slide your black bottom half off, like so. Now you don't want to lose the place where it was at. So, right here is where your post goes. So I will grab a post. Now on this step, the poultry netting that we use, you got these loops on the bottom. Don't include this one, but your first three stay on the inside of your post. You want to start weaving in and out on your fourth loop. So we're going to slide this down just like so. Don't worry about hooking up your black piece yet. We're going to come up and we're going to weave the post through the netting. You want to go through one, miss that one, and then go through the next one. So just keep going like so, feed it down. Do not attach this piece yet. What you want to do is you want to come down here, attach the black plastic on the backbone of your net post and just slide it on like so, and bam, it's that simple. You want to make sure though that your netting is nice and straight. You don't want it bunched up, so that way when you go to install your fencing, you're not having issues of your fencing cross and going all over the place. You don't want that mess. Homesteading is tough as it is. So after that is on, then you come up and you connect it like so. And there, folks, is how you replace the Premier One netting net post. Very quick, Very simple and very cheap. I gotta hand it to Premier One. They know what they're doing. Yes, it's a little expensive, but it is worth it. We use it for our Mangalitsa pigs, and we've had no problems with the fencing nor the pigs getting out of the fencing. But we do use poultry netting because we like the smaller squares versus the hog netting that has bigger squares and a more low profile to the ground. We want to ensure that our pigs will stay inside the fence. So we choose to use poultry netting ourselves. Which you choose is up to you. So yep, it's an easy fix. Just remember, don't use channel locks or anything like that to get this piece off of your old net post. Just use a razor blade, get the dirt off. And if you still have problems pulling it off, use WD-40 silicone, spray the backbone down, and it slides right off. So that, folks, is how you do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free. Please subscribe, punch that like button, and please share. Thank you.